Hello, Rick Capers, Vice President of Sales for VERSATEX Building Products, and I'm coming to you from inside of our training center here at our facility in Aliquippa, Pennsylvania, to talk to you about window surrounds. We think we have the best solution on the market. We call it the Stealth Trim System. So what is the Stealth Trim System? Well, basically, it's our trim boards where we've taken some of the work out of it for you, the contractor or the builder. If you look at our standard Stealth profile or our Stealth with flange slot, both are cut with 3/4 pockets on the end of the board. These are available in a 5/4 by 4 or a 5/4 by 6 profile. The 3/4 pocket is cut to allow the siding to nest properly inside of that relief cut. Perfect for fiber cement, composite wood siding, or even to dress up a vinyl siding job. This profile is known as our standard Stealth. Basically what that is just a 3/4 pocket cut in there out of a regular piece of trim product. This is perfect for remodeling applications where you're tearing off the existing wood trim, you replace it with the Stealth, and then you go ahead and tuck the siding into it. If you're into new construction, we added one other step to it. We cut your relief on the back side of the board, still got the 3/4 J pocket in there, but the relief is cut so if you're using an Anderson window or a vinyl window, you're gonna have that nailing fin exposed. This relief on the back side allows it to sit right over that nailing fin and you don't have to shim. All Stealth profiles are available in either our smooth finish or our wood grain finish known as Timber Ridge. Both feature a low gloss matte finish and a white point that makes it look like real wood. Both install with the same tools and fasteners as you would any traditional wood product. Same nails, same screws, cut it, route it, paint it or not, it doesn't matter. It carries the best warranty in class, a fully transferable, lifetime, non-prorated warranty. Feel free to dress up any of the Stealth window surrounds with any of the moldings we offer, including the historic sill. Essentially, Stealth becomes the most cost-effective and beautiful way to dress up any window surround.